viewers, this is MD Zubaya. Welcome to my channel Smart Coding. Hello viewers, today I will show you how to write a first program in Java. To do that, you need to have Java installed in your computer. Most computers, they come with the Java, but if you don't know whether you have Java installed in your computer or not, bar and type here cmd.exe and we will see the command prompt, and just type here Java version, and that will show you, if you have Java installed, that will show you here. So I already have installed. Yeah, you can see the details from here. But if you don't have one, what you have to do, you go on oracle.com and it's free. You can download Java from there, and then you can write the program in Notepad and then compile and run on command prompt. But I am not gonna do that. I will be using integrated development environment, which is IDE. There are so many IDE, so NetBeans, BlueJ and Eclipse. I will be using Eclipse, which is a very good IDE. So I will be using Eclipse IDE to write the first Java program. So let's see, it's gonna open soon. It's taking a bit longer. Okay, that's it here. So I need to clean all these previous program. So first thing we need, to create a project. So click on file, click on new project. It's taking a bit longer. Okay, now you can type the project name here. So my first Java program, and click on finish. So if you look at, so you just click no. Okay, if you just look at the left pane, you can see the project name we just created now. So just click on drop down and then click on file, new, and then we need to create a class name. So just select the source. You remember, every time if you want to create single Java file, Java class file, you just choose the default package. Okay, now I have to type the class name. Remember, the class name should match the file name, like .java file. So the class file already created, public class my Java, and you see how the class name is my Java and the file name is myjava.java. And when you see the class name, the always first letter of class name start with the uppercase. If it is more than one word, like 2 or 3 word, every word start, the first letter of every word start with the uppercase. So here my Java, my M is uppercase and then Java is uppercase, so my Java. And remember, okay, now we will write the main method, public static void main string arguments. And remember, this is the main method. Without this you cannot execute any code. In every Java program you need to have this main method, and anything between the curly braces under the main method will be executed. So we just write system.out.print line, which is a display method. If you want to display anything on the screen, any text, you need to have this. To display anything on the screen, you need to have system.out.print line method. And I'm just writing the comment that this is a main method. And another comment here, display method. It's a best practice if you write comment, because like anyone else, when they look at your program, they will know like which code meaning what, and it's good for the developer as well. They can find the things easily. So now to run this program, first thing we have to do is save the program and compile it and then run the program. Okay, let's see. You see, so the output is here. So welcome, we have done it. We have done our first Java program. So in next video I will explain the whole program. So here you will see the whole program we did before. So you see this my Java, this is the class file, which has the same name as the Java file, and this is main method. You need to have main method in every program, and this is system.out.println display method, and the text here between the two inverted comma is gonna be display on the screen. You see, my Java is a class name which is the same as file name, myjava.java. Java is case sensitive. My Java and lowercase my Java is not the same. If you wanna run any code. So viewers, thank you very much to stay with me. I hope you learned something. See you next time with another video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.